Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you just local updates for Sol USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. What's going on now? So guys, we dump it almost tested 0.5 level by FIP on a Binance. I understand on other exchanges total different lowest point, but on a Binance it is what it is. So it was like $168.79 on the spot. On the futures, maybe even lower prices. I don't think so. This is the end of cycle and we go into the bear market. No, I think we will see the 373 or maybe even 558. But of course, guys, I talk about these targets even since Zone 22 because we use this simple FIP. And all levels absolutely relevant, still in play. And I never talk about like 1,000 per Sol. Sol is will overperform Ethereum or all of this nonsense stuff what people usually share in social. So 373 or 558, it's top of the top for Sol. Most likely we're going to stop around 400, around this area. Maybe we'll not reach the 500. So this is my personal opinion about Sol and other tokens what I shared also before. So what do we get now? We reject at 86 and 78 level by FIP. So global one. Dump it, almost test the 0.5. Some can say so we hold the line, so this is like a fake out because on other exchanges there was no fake out. So this is like support, and we can adjust the line like this one, for example, but I'm not a fan of the trend lines. So if we will drop lower, guys, the road can be open even to 135. It's a buy line at this current moment. So just in case, do you believe in these targets now? No. Honestly, no. Not because I'm bullish or I'm a crypto enthusiast. No, I totally don't care about it, and especially about a Sol. So because I'm skipped the Sol, I not bought it at $7 or at $20, and that's why I don't see any reason to buy Sol now. For what? For a potential where that instruments here, this one, for potential 83% profit on the spot. I don't see any reason. So that's why I skip the Sol now. If you still hold the Sol, I think, just my personal opinion, we will see the new all-time high. When? I mean, when it's not like Zone 29. No. When I think this year or the next one at Zone 26, spring. So this is like two options for me personally. It's or this year, it can be end of November, end of December, for example, or spring 26, the new all-time high for Sol. I can be absolutely wrong, you know, and maybe the end of cycle was in January 25. We see the sweep of the high, and maybe Sol will never reach the 300, but I don't think so. I think we will see the hype around the Sol again, and the full ecosystem of Sol also will perform. So just a matter of time. I just need to see the BTC dominance under 50%. So what to do now, guys? I'm not buying the Sol. I'm not trading Sol on the futures because I don't see any setup now. Globally, I'm still bullish. If we double check the monthly time frame, so there is no gaps, nothing. Of course, this is not like crazy bullish candle, so this is like a middle, right? Not bullish, not bearish. We can go in any direction. And if it was an end of cycle, right? So yes, we can go in down like this one to 27 block, form the global double bottom, and only in Zone 28, Zone 29, go to a new all-time high. Yes, it's possible. Maybe it's like cup and handle, global cup and handle pattern, and we should skyrocket exactly to 558. Maybe. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea about timing. What I see now, it's we hold the line here, and you know, I think that November can be continuation because under is only liquidity is here. So basically only this level under $100. This is the main liquidity pool for Sol. And of course, some monthly gaps what we're not closed yet. So it's hard to say, guys, are we going down now or up? But I'm more about a bullish November. So would it be good to see local zones. It can be one more correction to 189. If we count this like impulse, correction, impulse, it can be around 27 blocks. So global targets, guys, once again, with a take profit indicator, so 268. This is a take profit line. Exit line, it's a new all-time high, 303. Buy line on the daily, it's 135. 12-hour time frame, same story. Take profit 289, exit line 326. Buy line 145. This is it. Let's hide the FIB and let's hide the take profit indicator. So if we count the daily time frame, usually we use that simple FIB. So this one. So basically we stop it at 27 blocks. So this is like impulse, bounce, correction, 27 block. And now we hold the line at 23. So the next step should be 292, 354, 417, 456. So if it was the bottom. If not, of course, the road can be much, much lower, even to 135. But I don't think so. We will see that dump. So what we can see, it's a 3 drives pattern, local one. Here, 1, 2, and it can be the 3, 150, for example. Do I believe in 150? Personally not. Personally not. Only, of course, if the Trump will say something something unpredictable again on the market. So also we will see the decision about the rates by end of this month. But I think it doesn't matter anymore. So this is a daily time frame with indicators. Here was a top. By the way, here's a divergence. Yes, we formed a divergence in Joule. Somebody 5, top. This is a divergence and we dump it. Now no signal. Current situation on the daily, we're just in the middle on ADZ, so it's neutral. It's not bullish, not bearish. Direction neutral, not bullish, not bearish. The weekly, this is like also middle, not bullish, not bearish, but I think we can form the divergence, even bigger divergence. Here was a top, and here's also high. This one, if we cut all noise, this is. And we can form the one more impulse up to, I don't know, 400, for example, and form a divergence on a weekly time frame and going down to bear market. Monthly time frame, we didn't touch the top. Also, direction didn't touch the top yet. So no signal to sell on direction indicator on weekly time frame. So I'm more bullish than bearish, just to be honest. But once again, I don't see any reason to buy now. Sol, for example, for a spot. Market mood. Here was a capitulation and a weekly time frame March 25, and now it's like a trill zone. So would it be good to see the, I don't know, continuation to the aphoria. Monthly time frame, yes, this is aphoria, but it's a little bit calm down. I think we will see another impulse up. If not, guys, of course, it can be just a sweep of the top, and we go into the hard mode, new bear market, and retailers will be wrecked, including me. So money power indicator, guys. No money outflow like it was here. 1, 2, 3 months in a row. Fixation profit dump. Here's we bounce it from the middle line on the monthly. Now we're not even close to the top. That's why I hope we will see the continuation. If not, guys, I have a bad news for you. We can dump like this one to 2027, for example. And form, yes, that double bottom, and only in 2028, 2029 will hit the new all-time high if Solana will be still exist. I think with BTC dominance under 50%, I think some liquidity will inflow into alts. What I don't understand now, in what sector and for what they print that much of stablecoins. For me, it's like now open question why they print the stable coins if that stable coins not inflow into the crypto assets. So it's kind of weird. Maybe this some strange plan. What do we didn't know from that whales. Maybe they don't need anymore the just basic regular tokens, and they need just more stable coins on different chains. That's it. So what we can see on a weekly, this was a money outflow. Now nothing, guys. No money in, no money out. Nothing. So it's not bullish, not bearish, but I'm better not touch the Sol now for the spot. Weekly time frame, sell, buy back, and no main signal to buy again. Daily, sell, buy back. So yes, we can see the drop to 150 again and see the take profit signal. Let's add alert, take profit on the daily. So 12 time frame here. We need to see some daily, this one, take profit. So sell, take profit, buy. Recommendation close position, buy. And I wish to see, just to be honest, 150 and the signal take profit on the daily and the signal to buy. That's why, guys, we still got like 2 weeks ongoing on October. So just be careful. Use just normal leverages and use stop losses. Globally, I still believe in new all-time high. The worst case, if we just consolidate, 207, 145 in this range for the next 2 months. The most positive case scenario, if we already passed the local bottom and go straight forward to the top in November. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.